Hi everyone. In this lesson, I am going to discuss the graphing of the quadratic equations which are given in the standard form or the general form. Then I would like to explain or I would like to discuss the most important features of the quadratic graph such as the x-intercepts, axis of symmetry and dilation factor. Let's see, my first example is, what is it? Y is equal to 2x square minus 4x minus 6, where a is 2, b is negative 4, c is negative 6. However, a table of values is given here. When x is equal to negative 3, y is 24, x is equal to negative 2, like that. I'll write down what the coordinates are. Negative 3, 24. Negative 2, 10, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 6, 1, negative 8, 2, negative 6, 3, 0, and 4, 10. I'll plot these points on the Cartesian plane. When x is equal to negative 3, y is 24. When x is equal to negative 2, y is 10. When x is equal to negative 1, y is 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 6. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to negative 8. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to again negative 6. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 4, again y is equal to 10. If I connect these points, this is the curve. This is my curve. However, what are the x-intercepts? Actually, the x-intercepts are the solutions of this equation. Okay, the x-intercepts are negative 1 and positive 3. Then we know that axis of symmetry or x-coordinate or the turning point is the midpoint of these two values. Negative 1 plus 3 divided by 2, it is when x is equal to 1. However, x is equal to 1, what is the y value? It is negative 8. 1 and negative 8. Therefore, the turning point is 1 and negative 8. If I draw a vertical line through the turning point, this is the axis of symmetry. What is the equation of the axis of symmetry? X is equal to 1. Now I am going to use the method of complete the square to convert this quadratic equation to one of the specific forms. What is that form? It is called the vertex or the turning point form. Then let's see what is the given equation. Y is equal to 2x square minus 4x minus 6. Then I have to take 2 as the common factor, 2x minus 3. Now use the method of complete the square to the inside quantity of this expression or the equation. X square minus 2x, the half of negative 2 is negative 1. I have to add the negative 1 square and subtract the negative 1 square, minus 3. Here we know that if we consider the first 3 terms, which makes the perfect square, according to the perfect square rule, x minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3. This can be written as x minus 1 square minus 4. Now, we know that 2 times x minus 1 square minus 8. Earlier we had the equation y is equal to 2x square minus 4x minus 6. Now we have converted it to y is equal to 2i x minus 1 square minus 8. Actually, this is the general form. This is the turning point form or the vertex form. Here, we know what the turning point of this graph is. What is the turning point? Turning point 1 and negative 8. We have to check where 1. Actually, what is that 1? 1 is here, negative 8 is here. Now we can generalize. If we convert the quadratic equation a times x minus b square plus c form, where a, b, c are real numbers, then the turning point or the vertex is b and c. Okay. Then what is the axis or symmetric? Axis or symmetric is x is equal to b. Okay. Let's consider another example. Y is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 9. Here, we have to use the method of complete the square. I'll take 3 as the common factor. 3x square minus 2x plus 3. Now, use the method of complete the square. X square minus 2x plus 1 square minus 1 square plus 3. If we consider these first three terms, it is perfect square, x minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 3, x minus 1 square plus 2, 3 times x minus 1 square plus 6. What is the turning point? Turning point is, we know that 1 and 6, or the axis of symmetric is x is equal to 1. This is the axis of symmetry. We will discuss what the dilation factor is. Let's consider my two equations that we have drawn. The first one is y is equal to 2i x minus 1 square minus 8. What is the turning point of this one? Turning point is 1 and negative 8. Now I am going to discuss a method how to find the dilation factor by using the coordinate of the turning point or the vertex and one of the other points which is on the graph. Then if I draw the graph, this is the graph. The turning point is 1 and negative 8. The coordinate of the turning point is 1 and negative 8. We will consider a point 1 units right from the turning point or the vertex. Then this is the x coordinate of the turning point, 1 and negative 8. 1 unit right means we have to go to 2. X is 2. Then we will calculate what the y value is. Actually, y value is 2i is 2 minus 1 square minus 8. What is it? 2 minus 8, it is negative 6. The y coordinate is 2 and negative 6. Now, we will consider the difference of the y coordinates. That means negative 6 minus minus 8. What is it? It is 2. Actually, this 2 is the dilation factor. A is equal to 2. I'll go to the other question. Next question. What is the other one? My other question was, it is y is equal to 3 times x minus 1 square plus 6. Then I'll draw the graph. Actually, the graph is like this. What is the turning point? The turning point is 1 and 6. We will move 1 unit to the right hand side from the turning point. Then when x is equal to 1 here, then x is equal to 2. What the y coordinate is? Y is equal to 3 times 2 minus 1 square plus 6. What is it? It is 9. The y coordinate is when x is 9. When x is equal to 2, the y coordinate is 9. What is the difference of the y coordinates? 9 minus 6. What is it? It is 3. Actually, this 3 is the a value or the dilation factor. I'll consider another example. What is it? Y is equal to 5 times x minus 2 square minus 6. Okay, what is the turning point? Turning point is, we know that 2 and -6, they are the coordinate of the turning point. If I move 1 unit to the right, what is the turning point? This is x coordinate of the turning point is 3. Then what is y coordinate? 5 times 3 minus 2 square minus 6. 5 minus 6, it is -1. This is, what is it? 3 and -1. Now what is the difference of the y coordinate? -1 minus minus 6. It is -1 plus 6. It is 5. However, this is the a is equal to 5. However, we can use this method to find what the dilation factor of the graph. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.